What's up, everybody? Just wanted to say a happy Tuesday to you, the day I'm shooting this. What do you do when you have to do a whole bunch of showings on your wholesale deal? Well, here's the thing. If you're wholesaling ethically and you're letting people know that you're gonna be having people through the door, it's not a problem. It doesn't become an issue. Now, sometimes it's hard, even if you are super transparent and ethical and let the owners know, hey, we're going to be looking to sell this deal. We're going to have to get people in. Sometimes you have tenants in the property, like the property we have in Lancaster today. Something that happened was we had a realtor who was coming through. We have a whole bunch of showings on this property. We had a realtor coming through. It was scheduled for tomorrow. Did I say Tuesday? Today's Wednesday. Anyway, and the scheduled appointment was for tomorrow morning. And they came today by mistake and woke the tenant up. Well, the tenant was not happy at all and said, cancel all the other showings for the rest of the day. That's the kind of stuff that happens in real estate, my friends. You can get angry about it, but it doesn't solve anything. People make mistakes. You make mistakes. I make mistakes. The good news is the person that came today, the realtor, their client has a lot of interest and is probably going to be putting in an offer on it. So that's the good news. But just remember, you know, especially when you're getting these properties under contract, the biggest thing is going to be your access to them. I mean, you're more likely to sell the deal the more people that we can get through it. And at least if you don't sell it, at least you're going to get feedback on what people think about condition wise and everything like that. So just remember that, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Stay safe. Talk to you soon.